Have you forgotten your MetaQuest 3 profile pin or passcode and now you're stuck in this Enter Passcode screen? Then I've got some bad news. If you tap on this help icon from the top right, you can see that forgotten passcodes can't be recovered. The only way to get back the access to your headset is by factory resetting your Quest 3, which will erase all your downloaded apps and games, and also any media content. And I'll show you how to reset your headset in a bit. But before that, what you can do is hop into your Meta Horizon app and download your recordings or screenshots beforehand, and you can also try a few more passcodes. Then we gotta do what we gotta do. Hold down the power button for about 5 seconds, and this will turn off your headset. After that, to boot into recovery or update mode, you'll need to hold down both the power button and the volume down button together. And in a second, you should boot into recovery mode. Now from here, you'll need to go down to factory reset by using the volume down button. After highlighting factory reset, press the power button to select. Now confirm it by going up using the volume up button, then select yes by pressing the power button. This will erase your Quest 3 and you just need to set it back up. After that, there won't be any passcode. So next time, just make sure to write it down somewhere or memorize it. That's all. I wish you good luck.